Freddy's on the beat.
Nana me tell you Diana. Who be say so won chia me kura wa wie wo de ma me fa kosu ma me fa koja wa ya. Wa problem bi eni. Wo should dey move the power. Oh no, don't so and so a rubber must be added. Na me se ma do aka so no go ka cha me aka maka da so da bi ma do ka bi ma me fa so no ko back da bi me mpene ma me dem so ni oh dem da bi me mpene o dem me se me mpene da bi ma ka ta me mpene o me so no me se me mpene ma me so me mpene this I was just sitting down there and I saw that you were bringing this water to the washroom, and I said, let me help you.
You just put the water.
You understand? So I tried myself to carry the water on my head.
Okay.
So when I got here, I decided to propose to her.
Okay.
And she told me that she's having a guy. And if you're having a guy, they have to send the water back.
No. You have to.
You understand?
Down. You have to calm down.
So what from you?
She's a lady.
What from you?
Let me. I'm talking to
She's
you.
a lady like. Let me. Hey, leave me. Hey. She can't do this to me. No, she can't do this to me.
If you do anything,
what will you do?
I'll show you a lesson.
What will you do?
If you do anything stupid here, I'll teach you a lesson.
What will you do? What from you?
You see anybody, you just follow. Huh? Don't you know that she's my girlfriend?
What?
Don't you know she's my girlfriend?
Okay, let me send the water back so you go carry the water and come here.
Now smile. Did she send you to carry the water?
Is that how you are?
Did she send you to carry the water? My friend, move. Leave this place. Leave this place, my friend.
See.
Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting?
I was just sitting down there and I saw you bringing the water. I decided to help you out because I know what I want. So when I brought the water here, I decided to maybe tell her that I like it.
Hey,
you understand?
So you've been in this house seeing this lady, you never proposed to her?
No.
So yes. Just because you are helping her with her water.
I like her. So I know she's having no one.
But from your speech, you said maybe. That means you aren't sure of what you are saying.
Yes! You are not sure. But I like what you're saying.
I like
So you can't take the water away.
No. I
can't just lose my strength.
I
can never lose my strength.
It's not.
She said something. She said
What did you say?
what were you saying?
It's not.
No, wait.
Let me take you inside. Don't do that. You have to answer for this.
You are telling my
You do this.
You are supporting her. So can't I tell her my feelings?
Tell me your feelings. Your feelings is over. She is my girlfriend. She is my girlfriend.
And you didn't tell me that you have a guy. Did you tell me that you have a guy?
Do you ask me?